Good morning, students. Today topic is angle between the two straight lines. Continuation. Recall the following formulas. If theta be the angle between the two straight lines, then theta is equal to tan inverse of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 and m2 are the slope of the two straight lines. Number 2, if the two lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. Slope of the first line is equal to slope of the second line. Number 3, if the two lines are perpendicular, then the product of them two slopes will be minus 1. Number 4, the distance between the 2 points. Using the 2-point formula, x2 minus the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. The distance between the two parallel lines d is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 constant 1 minus constant 2 divided by coefficient of x term whole square plus coefficient of y term whole square taking square root. The modulus mentioned, suppose the negative numbers are getting, we have to take positive only. Number 6, distance from the straight lines to any point x1 y1 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by square root of a square plus b square. Dx number 6.3. Sum number 1. If p1 and p2 are the length of the perpendiculars from origin to the straight lines, x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to a, and x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. Then prove that p1 square plus p2 square is equal to a square. We know that the length of perpendicular from origin to the first straight line is p1 is equal to, the constant term is minus 2a. So modulus of minus 2a divided by square root of coefficient of x term is secant theta, so secant theta whole square. Coefficient of y term is cosecant theta, so cosecant square theta whole square. Squaring on both sides, p1 square is equal to 4a square divided by secant square theta plus a cosecant square theta. Number this as 1. Take second equation, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. The length of perpendicular from origin to the second straight line is p2. P2 is equal to modulus of minus a cos 2 theta whole divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Squaring on both sides, we have p2 square is equal to a square cos square 2 theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore, a square cos square 2 theta divided by 1 is a square cos square 2 theta is equal to p2 square. Number this as adding equation number 1 and 2, we get p1 square plus p2 square is equal to 4a square divided by secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. Now 4a square divided by secant theta means 1 by cos theta, here secant square theta, therefore 1 by cos square theta plus cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, so 1 by sin square theta. Taking LCM of the denominator, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta whole divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, therefore 4a square divided by 1 divided by cos square theta sin square theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. This means 4a square cos square theta sin square theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. Now the 4a square cos square theta sin square theta can be written in the form of a square into 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus a square cos square 2 theta. A square into 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Using the formula, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 2 theta whole square plus a square into cos square 2 theta. A square sin square 2 theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. A square is common, a square into sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta plus cos square theta 2 theta is 1, and therefore a square into 1 is a square. P1 square plus P2 square is equal to, and the distance between the two parallel lines, one is 12x plus 5y is equal to 7, and 12x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. Number 2, 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 6x minus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. Let us take first two equations. 12x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 12x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. The constant term will be different. Coefficient of x term and coefficient of y terms all are equal. Therefore, we have to take the distance between the two parallel lines is equal to the formula determinant of modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. c1 is minus 7, c2 is plus 7. So minus 7 minus of plus 7 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 7 is minus 14. Whole divided by square root of a 12 square plus a 5 square is 169. Taking square root we get 13. Numerator minus 7 minus 7 minus 14. Taking modulus we get positive 14. 14 by 13 is answer. Take next two equations, 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 6x minus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. These two equations are parallel. So first equation, 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Second equation, divide root by 2 on both sides. We have 3x minus 4y minus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 0. The distance between the two parallel lines, formula modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. c1 is 5, c2 is minus 15 by 2. Now 5 minus of minus 15 by 2 whole divided by 3 square plus 4 square, taking square root we get 5. Numerator 5 plus 15 divided by 2 is 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 whole divided by 5 means 25 divided by 10. Cancelling we get 5 divided by 2. Question number 13. Find the family of straight lines. Number 1 perpendicular, number 2 parallel to the equation of the straight line 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Let us take first subdivision. Number 1, let the equation of the straight line be 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Slope is minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term. Minus coefficient of x term is minus 3. Coefficient of y term is 4, so minus 3 divided by 4. Perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m is perpendicular slope minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4. Minus cancelled. We get 1 divided by 3 by 4. 1 means 1 by 1. So taking reciprocal we get 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the family. 4 by 3 is perpendicular slope. Family of lines perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is 4x minus 3y plus some constant k. So let the equation of the line be 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Parallel equation is given. Okay, therefore let us take the slope only. M is equal to minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term minus coefficient of x term is 3, so minus 3 divided by 4. Now family of line parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. This is the family of parallel lines to the given equation. Question number 14, we have the line joining the points A of 2, 0 and B of 3, 1 is rotated about A in the anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 15 degree. Then find the equation of the line in new position. First to find the theta, adding the 15 degree, we get next position, that is new position. Okay, first let us take the given 2 points. Using the 2-point form, we have to take the equation of the straight line. So equation of the straight line formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here first point x1 y1 2, 0 is x1. Next 3, 1 is x2, y2. Using the formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, y minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0 is equal to x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Now y minus 0 is y, y divided by 1 is y. So left hand side y. Right hand side x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 2 is 1. Therefore x minus 2 divided divided by 1 is x minus 2. So y is equal to x minus 2. X minus y is equal to 2. Slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term. Coefficient of x term is 1, therefore minus 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is positive 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to pi by 4. Tan in terms of column is tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4. Taking tan inverse on both sides, we get theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. Slope of the line in new position, adding 45 plus 15. Adding 15, we get tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means root 3. So the equation of the line is using the 1 point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is 2, y1 is 0. m is root 3. Therefore, apply slope and 1 point. Using the 1 point form, we get a new equation of the straight line. Y minus 0, y minus y1 is equal to root 3 into x minus 2, x minus x1. Y minus 0 is y is equal to root 3x minus 2 root 3. Arranging, we get root 3x minus y minus 2 root 3 is equal to a ray of light coming from the point 1, 2. Coming from the point 1, 2. So the position B is 1, 2. Reflected at a point A in the x-axis. A is a point on the x-axis. The ray is reflected on the x-axis, and it passes through the point 5, 3. This passes through the point again reflected. Therefore, the ray again goes to the position Q. Find the coordinate of the point capital A. The coordinate of the point capital. Let the point A be alpha comma beta. Let A of alpha comma beta be a point on the point on the x-axis. Let the image of the point Q, phi 3, about x-axis is Q dash a phi comma minus 3. Let us take x-axis as a mirror. Q is Q reflected or passing through this side. This is a mirror. Therefore, passing through phi comma minus 3 is another side point. That is reflected point. Phi comma minus 3. So, using the point P of 1, 2 and Q dash is phi comma minus 3. Taking these 2 points, we get a straight line. Equation of the straight line PQ dash is using the 2 point form. Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here, x1 y1 is 1, 2, x2 y2 is phi comma minus 3. Substitute. x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to minus 3. 1, 5x plus 4y is equal to 13. The point A, alpha comma beta, lies on the line equation number 1. So, substitute x is equal to alpha, y is equal to beta in the above equation number 1. We have phi alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 13. Phi alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 13. The point alpha beta is on the which axis? X-axis. So, x-axis means the second point will be 0. That is the coordinate of y is equal to 0. So, beta is equal to 0. Phi alpha plus 0 is equal to 13. Then phi alpha is equal to 13. Alpha is equal to 13 divided by beta. Point A is the 13 by 5 comma 0. Question number 16. A line drawn perpendicular to phi x is equal to y plus 7. Find the equation of the line if the area of the triangle posed by this line with coordinate axis is 10 square. One is on the x-axis, another one is on the y-axis. X-axis point is k comma 0, y-axis point is 0 comma k 5. We have to take the equation of the line be phi x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Any line perpendicular to the given line is, the constant will be k. Therefore, phi x, interchange x and y perpendicular to the line. Therefore, interchange x and y and the constant will be k. Therefore, y is x, negative sign into negative sign is positive sign. Phi x means y. So, phi y, x plus phi y. Interchange x and y sign changing, and then the constant will be k. So x plus pi y is equal to k. Divided by k on both sides, we get x by k, pi y divided by k is equal to 1. This can be written as x by k plus y divided by k by 5 is equal to 1. Draw the diagram. X and y axis, take 2 points A and B. A is k comma 0, B is 0 comma k 5 divided by 5. Join the points A and B, we get a straight line. The intercept form of the straight line. We know that x by a plus y by is equal to one of the form is intercept form. The equation meets the coordinate axis at a of k comma 0, b of 0 comma k by 5. The area of the triangle OAB is equal to 10 square unit is given. So area of the triangle OAB is half into base into height. So half into base is x k into height is k by 5 is equal to 10. Half into b into height is equal to 10. Okay. Now k into k is k square. 2 5s are 10. Cross multiplying we get 100. So k square is equal to 100. K is equal to plus or minus 10. Particular to the given line is x plus pi y is equal to positive 10 and also taking negative 10. So x plus pi y is equal to minus 10. That is x plus pi y is equal to 10 means x plus pi y minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus pi y is equal to minus 10 means x plus pi y plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, these two equations are required. Equation of the line. Next, question number 18. A photocopy store charges rupees 1.5 per copy for the first 10 copies. First 10 copies, each copy rupees is 1.50, and then the rupees 1 per copy after 10 copies. After 10 copies, each copy carries rupees 1. The number of copies and y be the total cost of photocopy. Number 1. Draw the graph of the cost x goes from 0 to 50 copies. Number 2. Find the cost of making 40 copies. By the given instruction, y is equal to 10 into first 1.5 per each copy. Therefore, 10 copies, first 10 copies into rupees 1.5 plus first 10 remaining. So, x minus 10. Next 10 copies. This means next 10 copies. So, 11 to 20 copies. X minus 10. Each can take rupees 1. Therefore, x minus 10 into 1. Now 10 into 1.5 is 15 plus x minus 10 into 1 is x minus 10. Therefore 15 plus x minus 10 is 5 plus x. So y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x 1.5 x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. First 10 copies. Next 10 copies x. Next 10 copies is x plus 5, which is greater than 10. Equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5 is 45. The cost of 40 copies is equal to 45 rupees. Cost of 40 copies is equal to 45 rupees. The cost of 10 copies is equal to, substitute x equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 into 1.5. This is 15 rupees. The point is 10 comma 15. The 40 copies means first 40 comma 45. 40 apply, x is equal to 40, we get y is equal to 45. Therefore, the point is 40 comma 45. The point is 40 comma 45. Next, the cost of 5 copies, y is equal to 5 into 1.5 is equal to 7.5. 7.5 rupees. Next, the point is apply cost of 5 copies, we get y 7.5. Therefore 5 comma 7.5 is next point. Cost of 15 copies, y is equal to 10 into 1.5 plus x is 15. Therefore 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. So 10 into 1.5 is 15 plus 15 minus 10 is 5. So 20 comes 20 rupees. The point is apply 15, we get 20. Therefore 15 comma 20. The tabular column is the table of cost and rupees. X, Y, 5 copies 7.5 rupees, 10 copies 15 rupees, 15 copies 20 rupees. Draw X and Y axis. On X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. On X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. On Y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. For the points on the graph sheet, join the points to get the straight line. Today's topic is over. Now homework, EX number 6.3, sum number 17, 19 and 20. These are the homework problems. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.